Ever wondered how Google understands your search queries? How it knows exactly what you're looking for? The secret lies in an AI model known as BERT. BERT, an acronym for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, is an ingenious product of Google's development efforts. It's a natural language processing model that has caused quite a stir in the world of AI. The real magic of BERT lies in its ability to understand the context of words in a sentence, and it does this by considering both the left and right context. This bidirectional approach allows BERT to grasp deeper semantic meaning. The result? A model that can perform exceptionally well on a wide range of natural language processing tasks. So, BERT is essentially a language expert, keen on understanding the semantics of our words. Now, how does BERT work? What makes it so good at understanding our language? At its core, BERT operates on three key features: bidirectional context, pre-training, and fine-tuning. Let's delve a bit deeper into each of these. First, we have the bidirectional context. While traditional language models read text from left to right or right to left, BERT does it both ways. This means it can understand the context of each word in a sentence by considering the words that come before and after it. This ability to look at both the left and right context of a word gives BERT a deeper understanding of language and allows it to capture relationships between words far more effectively. Next up is pre-training. BERT gets its start by training on a massive corpus of text data. During this phase, it learns to predict missing words in a sentence, a process known as masked language modeling, and it learns to predict which sentence comes next in a document. This pre-training phase is essentially BERT's school days, where it picks up the basics of language understanding. And then comes the fine-tuning. After its extensive pre-training, BERT is ready to specialize. It's like a general practitioner deciding to become a heart surgeon. BERT can be fine-tuned on specific natural language processing tasks like sentiment analysis, text classification, or question answering. This fine-tuning step helps adapt the general language model to excel at a specific task by training it on task-specific data. So, in essence, BERT starts by learning the basics of language through pre-training, then specializes in a specific task through fine-tuning. It's a two-step process that allows BERT to perform exceptionally well on a wide range of natural language processing tasks. With its bidirectional context and two-step training process, BERT is indeed a game-changer in understanding language. Let's delve a bit deeper into these two steps: pre-training and fine-tuning. The first phase, pre-training, is akin to a student reading a broad range of books to acquire general knowledge. For BERT, this means being pre-trained on a vast corpus of text data, typically sourced from the internet. This large dataset provides a rich, diverse language environment that helps BERT learn language representations. It's as if BERT is learning the grammar, syntax, and even the nuances of language by observing and predicting missing words in sentences or the next sentence in a document. This phase gives BERT a robust foundation in understanding language, akin to a student getting a strong grasp of general subjects. In the second phase, BERT undergoes fine-tuning, much like a student specializing in a particular subject. After the pre-training phase, BERT is fine-tuned on a smaller, task-specific dataset. This dataset is usually related to a specific NLP task, such as sentiment analysis, text classification, or question answering. During fine-tuning, BERT's model is adapted to perform well on this particular task. This can involve adding additional layers to the pre-trained BERT model and training those layers on the task-specific data. This process is much like a student who, after gaining a broad knowledge base, chooses to specialize in a particular field and devotes their time to studying that field in depth. In this way, BERT becomes highly effective at the chosen task. It's able to apply its broad understanding of language gained during pre-training to a specific context honed during fine-tuning. In essence, BERT is like an AI scholar, first gaining a broad understanding of language and then specializing in a specific field. So there you have it, the secret behind Google's understanding of your search queries. BERT, a dynamic model that leverages bidirectional context. BERT revolutionizes the way we comprehend language processing tasks. It's not just about understanding words, but their context and relationship. And with its two-step training process, pre-training for general language understanding, and fine-tuning for task-specific mastery, BERT truly is a game-changer in NLP. Next time you type a query into Google, remember, it's BERT working its magic to understand exactly what you mean.